You call me a flight risk, try to close my eyelids and let the sound of water fill me from the bottom.
Today I'm going to give you the recipe for sex.
Up with the sun down,
Now this is super exciting for people. They may touch each other's body, they may fondle each other.
on a pedestal, sex, drugs, rock and roll. I've been trying to climb my way to the top of your
Consent
so don't like.
goes beyond yes means yes and no means no.
We all know just how this goes.
Hello everybody, my name is Aprupa. I'm a sexuality educator and today I'm going to give you the recipe for sex.
I was always inclined to make history, but I never really had the time. Spent my life living dangerously, never worried how I'm getting by.
The first ingredient to sex is consent. It begins even before any behaviors of intimacy happen, and it goes beyond yes means yes and no means no.
I'm out here working, trying to do what I can.
Consent is basically ensuring that all people involved are comfortable with each other and are willing to participate in behaviors of intimacy with each other.
Like sugar, so sweet.
The second ingredient of sex is foreplay. Now this is super exciting for people. It is when they come closer to each other, they hug each other, they kiss each other, they may touch each other's body, they may fondle each other, and this causes them to be aroused and excited and ready to participate in the sexual act with each other. One very important ingredient is protection. Now, unless a couple is trying to get pregnant, condoms are a must, and to prevent STIs, condoms are the only way to go.
You're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. Moving to the song.
There are other forms of protection available, of course. There are birth control pills, there are IUDs, but condom is the only form of protection that prevents both unwanted pregnancies and STIs.
Feel it, can you feel it? Turn it up until they all hear the beat. Spotlight, this is our night.
Once consent, foreplay, and protection are in place, people may come closer to each other and they may start engaging with each other's body.
Tonight we're gonna dance. Ooh, like you never seen before.
The penis is typically erect at this point and the vagina is moist. If the penis is not erect, the act will not necessarily be possible, the penetrative sexual act that is. And if the vagina is not moist, then it will cause the person a lot of pain. So the penis is inserted into the vagina. Both the parties set a rhythmic motion, the penis owner moves it back and forth, and the pleasure and excitement keeps building.
We are living for tonight. We're gonna dance.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure, and I'm never gonna give it up.
Now when this rhythmic motion sort of heightens, there is a clenching of the genital muscles. They tighten together and then they keep building, the excitement keeps building to a point, and then there is a sudden release.
I've been hunting for it.
Now this is known as an orgasm.
I'm the villain. Yeah, I'm
Both the penis owner and the vulva owner are entitled to orgasms and are capable of achieving orgasms. Although with vulva owners, with penetrative sex, orgasm may not always be possible. So, clitoral stimulation or other forms of stimulation of the body may actually be required.
I've been hunting for it. I've been planning for it. I'm the villain.
So when the penis owner orgasms, they essentially ejaculate semen. Now this is a thick whitish fluid that comes out of the tip of the penis. When the vulva owner ejaculates, however, a fluid may not necessarily come out of the vagina and it may just become a lot more moist and wet than it was before. Now, of course, the recipe is not complete without something called aftercare. Now, aftercare is basically when, the people involved hold each other, cuddle with each other, talk to each other about what they liked or what they didn't like. So that is such an important part of sex, where you share sweet nothings with each other and you sort of just revel in the aftermath of the orgasm. It is highly recommended that vulva owners especially pee after they've had sex. Now, this is important to prevent UTIs.
Complete, then repeat. Feeling good, won't miss a beat.
Now, if any of these ingredients are missing, then it either becomes criminal or unsafe for the parties involved.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and all of it is mine.
Well, if you have any more questions about sex, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and we hope this was a useful video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.
I can't help but smile. I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else.